Hey everyone, today we're going to be teaching you how to properly pack a carry-on travel bag, bundle style. Step 1. Pick a carry-on bag that meets your airline's size requirements and begin to lay out everything you plan on bringing. Step 2. Once your things are laid out, take away about 1/3 of the things you have laid out. You don't want to overpack, trust me, those fees are crazy. Step 3. Now it's time to pack. Start with your shoes. Lay them on their side at the bottom of your bag with the heel and toe touching. Place all of your socks inside of your shoes to save more space. Step 4. Now that your shoes are in place, fill in your random gaps of space with soft items like t-shirts, jerseys, and undergarments. Try to roll these items to save even more space. Step 5. Bulky items are next. These items include polos, jeans, skirts, and suits. Start by laying one item down horizontally. Then place the next item directly on top but facing the opposite way. Once all of the items are laid down correctly, fold them one by one on top of each other. Step 6. Place a plastic bag that covers your carry-on bag and tuck it around the corners to prevent possible air pockets. Step 7. Double wrap your toiletries so there are no unwanted stains on your clothes. Place the toiletries and other miscellaneous items in the middle on top of your plastic bag. Step 8. Lastly, place all of your folded shirts like collared button-ups on top to ensure they don't wrinkle. That's all, guys. Now you're ready for your trip.